Uh, Hello everyone. Actually, talking about Shanawaz sir, one thing that all his past as well as his present students would agree to is that English classes were, English classes with him were something else only. I mean, that's not a classroom environment that you come across very often, especially during your school years. That's not a classroom environment that you'll come across too often in your school years. That you In that regard, it would only be fair to say that Sir was perhaps a step ahead of his times in that regard. And also, what happens is generally we judge teachers. We kind of judge teachers, or at least we associate teachers, especially tuition teachers, on the basis of academic results that their students are able to or are not able to achieve. So, which to be honest is fair, because that's like the only parameter, that's like the only yardstick that we have right now. But I think in these classes with sir, what we learned was something that was by nature a little more than academic, because uh, if I have to sum up in a sentence that what we learned in these classes, then I would choose to say that actually what we learned was not to be afraid to be ourselves. I mean, not to voice our opinions. It was a classroom environment that we could voice our opinions, and we could voice our opinions knowing that no one in that classroom was going to judge us. I mean, it was such a healthy learning atmosphere that all the students actually participated, and participated voluntarily. So, that was something else only. Also, from a student point of view, if you are someone who likes to speak a lot, but people around you keep getting tired of listening to your opinions on every subject, that kind of happens. You have an opinion on everything, and you want to share your opinion, but people around you, they just keep getting tired of listening to your opinions and listening to your views on what's happening around you in the world. So if you're that kind of a person, then these classes are the place for you. I mean, this is the place for you. You'll definitely enjoy sharing your opinions here. And on the contrary, as I say, even conversely, if you are a person uh, who has a lot of things to say, but actually you find it difficult to open up to an audience, then believe me, this is definitely the place for you. Because here you learn not to be afraid to speak your mind, and I think that's very important going forward. Academic results, uh, I might be jumping the gun here, but academic results can actually wait, but personality development cannot. And as students, we only learn this gradually as we advance into our lives, but this is something that you know is nurtured very early on in these classes, sir's classes, because we learn how to speak our opinion. And I'm not just talking about essay writing classes, or any kind of, even English literature that sir teaches. It's kind of from a different point of view altogether. So that's that. Also, I would like to share something very unique, that the fact of the matter is, actually it's been 5 years since I think I attended sir's classes. But even now, whenever I imagine myself speaking on any topic that's going on anywhere in the world that interests me, then I immediately picture myself in sir's class. Because as I said, this is what the classes have given us. These classes give us students our first stage. So that always stays with you. And in this rat race kind of education that we receive normally, that stage presence, and that opportunity to get a stage, that really matters. So I think that is something that is very important. And also, as I talk about all these things, what is also very important is that all these things actually help in your academic performance. They are never ever going to hinder your performance as such. They are only going to help in your academic performance. So It was a very unique and a very nice experience with sir. Something that I'm very, very sure that all the students will always, always remember very fondly. And it was the same case with me. I can go on speaking about it, but ultimately I'll fall short of words, no matter how much sir has trained me not to do so. But yes, that is what is going to be. So, thank you so much.